Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we are going to talk about a topic that is essential for every traveler: packing hacks. Whether you're going on a weekend getaway or a long-term adventure, knowing how to pack light and smart can make a huge difference in your travel experience. In this video, we will share with you some invaluable packing hacks that will help you optimize your luggage space, keep your belongings organized, and make your travel journey a breeze. So, let's dive right into it. 1. Plan ahead. The first step to packing light and smart is planning ahead. Research your destination, check the weather forecast, and make a list of essential items you'll need. This way, you can avoid overpacking unnecessary items and ensure you have everything you need. 2. Use a packing checklist. Having a packing checklist will help you stay organized and ensure you don't forget any important items. Divide your checklist into sections such as clothing, toiletries, electronics, and accessories. This will minimize the chances of leaving anything behind. 3. Roll, don't fold. One of the best packing hacks is rolling your clothes instead of folding them. Rolling not only saves space but also minimizes wrinkles. Plus, it allows you to see your clothes easily and access them without disturbing the rest of your luggage. 4. Use packing cubes. Investing in a set of packing cubes is a game changer when it comes to travel organization. These lightweight, zippered storage cubes help maximize your luggage space and keep your clothes neatly organized. You can pack similar items together, making it easier to locate specific items without unpacking your entire bag. 5. Use compression bags. Compression bags are another fantastic solution for maximizing luggage space. These bags compress your clothes, removing excess air and reducing their volume. Simply pack your clothes inside, seal the bag, and roll or press out the air. This hack will not only save space but also keep your clothes tidy and manageable. 6. Utilize empty spaces. Don't overlook the space inside your shoes. Use them to store small items like socks, electronics, or even jewelry. Also, fill any gaps in your luggage, such as inside hats or the corners of your suitcase, with smaller items like underwear or accessories that you can easily tuck away. 7. Keep toiletries and liquids organized. To avoid spills and leaks, place your toiletries and liquids in separate Ziploc bags. This will prevent any mishaps from ruining your clothes or other belongings. Additionally, consider using travel-sized toiletries or purchasing refillable travel bottles to save space and comply with airline regulations. 8. Use versatile items. Bring clothing items that can be mixed and matched to create different outfits. This will help you pack fewer clothes while still having plenty of options to choose from. Opt for neutral colors or pieces that can be dressed up or down to maximize versatility. 9. Wear your bulkier items. If you're traveling with heavier or bulkier items like jackets or boots, wear them during your journey instead of packing them. This way, you'll save space in your luggage and stay warm and comfortable during your travel. 10. Pack a compact day bag. Instead of carrying a bulky backpack or handbag, pack a compact day bag that can be folded or rolled up. This will come in handy for day trips or when you want to explore without carrying all your luggage around. That wraps up our video on packing hacks for traveling light and smart. We hope you found these tips useful and that they will make your next trip more enjoyable and hassle-free. Remember, packing efficiently is all about being organized, using the right tools, and maximizing the space you have. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more travel tips and hacks. Thanks for watching, and happy travels!